blown away. You know, I bought the product, the Leopard 40 PC, knowing it was a solid boat, well-tested brand, well-tested heritage, and seeing the process in the factory just confirms that even more. It was an amazing experience. You know, the team, the executive team, and all the hands that worked on the boat, got to meet each and every one of them. You know, Leopard put together an amazing ceremony for the 3,000th boat to come out of the factory, where each and every one of them, you know, put their print on the boat, and it was a truly amazing and heartfelt experience. You know, I don't think we'll ever do anything like this ever again in our life. South Africa clearly is full of good people. Show up and surprise these people, and they welcome us with open arms.
I think the greatest part about getting our boat in a few months is that every time we step aboard, we're going to remember this experience. We're going to remember the people, the love, the learning, the growing that we did as a family. We're going back a little bit tired, but a heart full of love.
Yeah,
we're very thankful.
For sure. Can't wait to see everyone again.